they drove that golden spike in 1869. It opened up the American West to the Southern Pacific line. 1,000 miles of wilderness heard the hammers ring and the voices of the Gandhi dancers sing. Southern Pacific, roll on, from Chicago through the Rockies, America's your home. Portland to New Orleans, all along the Golden Crest. Southern Pacific, the spirit that won the West. On spikes and ties laid down in time, some old fiddler's reel will forever stitch together with 1,000,000 miles of steel. Right on the clock, that rolling stock helps keep this country great. As long as there's a USA, SP will haul the freight. Southern Pacific, roll on, from Chicago through the Rockies, America's your home. Portland to New Orleans, all along the Golden Crest. Southern Pacific, the spirit that won the West. Cotton Belt, T&L, for Denver, Rio Grande, with all the others proud and strong, coupled hand to hand. Pulling every grade and curve, a single heart and mind, making sure the job gets done out on the SP line. Southern Pacific, roll on, from Chicago through the Rockies, America's your home. Portland to New Orleans, all along the Golden Crest. Southern Pacific, the spirit that won the West. So roll on, big iron lady, through the mountains and the plains. Roll on, men and women, with tradition in your veins. Keep the drive wheels turning all across this great land. Blow that whistle loud and long, the future's in our hands. Southern Pacific, roll on, from Chicago through the Rockies, America's your home. Portland to New Orleans, all along the Golden Crest.